Sometime when you don't feel like cooking, you fall back to your Trader Joe's turkeyless burger or their beef burger or field roast sausage, and you come up with something simple, right? Well, that's what I'm doing today. I am using Trader Joe's turkeyless hamburger, and I'm gonna dice it up, and I'm gonna make me a Caesar salad. Let's get chopping. Okay guys, look at my salad. I'm sorry the lighting is not that great because I'm just holding my phone and I just wanted to get online and let you know how it tastes. I will call this the ultimate Caesar salad because I put a lot of stuff in here that normally they don't. That's good. And the turkeyless burger from Trader Joe's, the texture is amazing. I add a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic powder to it. And what is that spicy stuff you use sometimes? Harrow's, what is it?
No.
Yeah, I put a little bit of that on it too. And it took it up a notch. Tasty, so yeah. Try it at home when you don't feel like cooking. I didn't want to cook today.